Welcome back to our show, Vastu, Harmony and You. And today we have here in our studio, Vastu and Feng Shui expert, Dr. Rupa Batra. Well friends, here I am reminding you, if you have any doubt related to Vastu of your house, shop, plot or construction site, then you can send your properties map to Dr. Batra. Or if you have any queries, then you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on this number, 9560423423. Well, Dr. Batra, let's move to our next mail, and which is from Haldwani, and he is Ashish. He wrote, I wish to construct a house in a hilly area. Are there special precautions which I need to consider while constructing a house in a hilly area as per Vastu? Please suggest me best.
Yes, you need to follow some Vastu principle even in the hilly area. But if your piece of land is facing east or north, it means the hill is towards your south. So for that it automatically it is according to Vastu. It means the higher portion of your home should be towards south, southwest and west. So it means that you are following the Vastu rules automatically. And for that I would like to give you some tips. That the hill in the north, northeast and east, if the hills is in north, northeast and east direction of your home, it is not good for construction. So I hope you are clear. If the hill is in the south side, on the southwest side, on the west side, and it is okay, you don't need to worry. If the hills are in north, northeast and east, it is not good. If the hills which slopes towards east, north or northeast are very good, while the hills which slopes towards south, southwest are not good. Those are bad. So check it again and again. Hill with river, canal, pond, lake, well in the east or north are good. If they are in south or west, you need to again take care and do the remedies while doing your construction. The hill which slopes to all the four directions and having approach roads in east or north are very good. Compound walls are very much necessary. The height of the east and north walls should be less than the height of the south and west walls. Before also I have told that the south and southwest and west should be the higher one. And the water source, it can be underground tank or a well, or I doubt in a bore in a hilly area. So underground tank can be constructed. So if the construction is multi-level, as because it is a hilly area, so construction can be done like the higher portion than the lower portion. It may come to multi-levels. Make it on upward slope towards south. Up should be the south and the lower should be the east side. Having taller hills in the northeast, east or north are bad. So need to take care. I have told before also. A taller hill in west and south and southwest are very good. So I hope you have got my answer.
Definitely, yeah. He must be got. Well, Dr. Batra, thank you so much for your precious advice. Thank you so much. Well, friends, that's all for today. But if you have any problem regarding Vastu and Feng Shui, then you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra, who has the chain of satisfied clients like film stars, ministers, diplomats, corporate sectors, businessman to an ordinary man, not only in India but in other 18 countries as well. So friends, definitely we will be back next time with some another topics of Vastu and Feng Shui, and of course your mails also. Till then, bye bye and take care. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address: Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers
9560 423 423. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560 423 423. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs: batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.